So in this video I'm going to take the Leica Q3 out to do some street photography. I'm going to share with you what I see and the photos that I take. And if you can hear in my voice, I'm a bit sick, I'm not feeling very well, so I'm not going to talk at that part of the video. But for now, I'm really excited to show you, if you can see behind me those cool lines. And I'm in a completely new room right now. I never shot a video here. It's a new room that I have, it's kind of a shelter, and my whole building is under construction, so this is what I have right now. And it's very nice with the natural light outside. But I thought that behind me the wall was pretty empty. And unrelated to that, a company named Smallrig kindly enough sent me this amazing flashlight. Now I really try to stay authentic in this channel, and I will never review anything that I don't believe in. This product they sent me now is really in a perfect timing, and my background behind me, I can't put any shelves behind me unfortunately, but this is really filled the hole behind. So basically this is a great solution for anyone who looks for, you know, something in the background of photos or videos, just make things more interesting. It comes with 20 different slides of different shapes that I just put on the small flashlight, and it gives me a completely different shape every time. Also it changed like 4 colors from orange, blue, red and white. I chose the white one because I wanted to be similar to the white vibe in this room. The way I'm using this flashlight is really easy. I just twist it. There's like 4 or 3 different spots that I can twist it like this or on the side, and it's really powerful. I don't know if you can see it because it's really bright here, and you can see all the shapes on the wall very clearly. You can change like the size of things. The key thing and why I think this product is so great is that it's really portable. It's really small. It fits into this small bag that comes with it, as well as the other slides. The USB-C charger is just something to take with you, with your Leica, with whatever you want to be creative with in your videos, in your photos. It's just a really nice way to change things up. All the information that you need is in the description. Thank you so much, Smallrig, for sending me this product. It's really great, and I know I will use it a lot now in this room specifically, and maybe even in my photos. But now, because I feel pretty bad, I just want to go outside with my camera and share with you the photos. I'll put some music in the background. I really hope you enjoy it. And as soon as I'm getting better, I will see you in the next video.